Ireland is more than just a country. It's a living fairy tale, from colorful villages to breathtaking coastlines and timeless charm. These towns and villages feel straight out of a dream. Today, I'll take you on a journey through 18 of the most beautiful towns and villages in Ireland in stunning 4K. Would you ever want to live in a place like this? 1. Doolin. Doolin is a charming coastal village, famous for its traditional Irish music and the breathtaking views of the cliffs of Moher. Vibrant music scene and peaceful streets make it the perfect place to experience the soul of Ireland. 2. Adare. Often called Ireland's prettiest village, Adare is known for its thatched cottages and medieval charm. Walking here feels like stepping back in time into a peaceful fairy tale. 3. Kinsale. Kinsale is a colorful harbor town with historic streets and vibrant cafes, known as Ireland's gourmet capital. Its coastal views and lively streets are unforgettable. 4. Dingle Dingle offers dramatic coastlines, rolling hills, and unforgettable sunsets, with its serene harbor and charming town streets making it a must-visit destination. 5. Westport. Nestled beneath the majestic Croagh Patrick, Westport combines natural beauty with a lively town atmosphere, perfect for both adventure and relaxation. 6. Kenmare. Surrounded by mountains and lakes, Kenmare is a peaceful town where nature meets culture, with colorful streets and calm atmosphere, making it a hidden gem. 7. Clifton. The heart of Connemara, Clifton offers wild landscapes, coastal beauty, and authentic Irish culture, captivating every 8. Carlingford is a medieval seaside town with narrow streets, historic buildings, and surrounding mountains. Its folklore and scenic views make it magical. 9. Cong. Cong is a postcard-perfect village between two lakes, famous for its fairy-tale-like streets and serene beauty. 10. Lahinch. Lahinch is a laid-back coastal town loved for its beaches and surfing culture, offering ocean views and vibrant streets. 11. Baltimore. Baltimore is a colorful fishing village offering stunning ocean views, islands nearby, and authentic Irish maritime life. 12. Roundstone. Roundstone is a tranquil village where the mountains meet the Atlantic Ocean, with calm atmosphere and dramatic coastal views. 13. Sneem. Sneem is a vibrant village known for its colorful buildings, artistic spirit, and welcoming atmosphere, with every street a photographer's dream. 14. Enniskerry. Located near the Wicklow Mountains, Enniskerry is a peaceful escape into nature. Its green landscapes and charming village streets, perfect for relaxation. 15. Cove. Cove is a historic harbor town famous for its colorful waterfront and Titanic history, with scenic harbor and cathedral views. 16. Howth. Howth is a charming seaside town just outside Dublin, ideal for coastal walks, fresh seafood, and panoramic ocean views. 17. Glengarriff. Surrounded by lush forests and tranquil waters, Glengarriff is a nature lover's paradise whose serene environment captivates the soul. 18. Portresh. Portresh is a lively seaside town known for its golden beaches, ocean waves, and fun-filled coastal atmosphere. The perfect place to end your Irish journey. Which of these Irish towns stole your heart? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking 4K travel destinations. Let Ireland's magic inspire your next adventure.